Thank you everyone for joining me in our live today. We're going to continue with long division. Okay. We're going to continue with long division, and we're going to be doing questions that involves we're going to be doing questions with remainders. That's what I'm trying to say. Sorry. So let's get right into it. And for those of you all who have not looked at our videos, who have not looked at my videos before this one, please do so, especially if long division is giving you trouble or sessions are short. So you can begin from the top. I encourage you to write down the questions that I do, write it down after I explain it, work it out with me. For those of you all who are looking at this video after, do the same thing. Maths is practice, so I encourage you all to write the questions down and practice it. So let's get on our first question for today. Today we're going to be starting with 3 into warm-up question. Really nice. Very easy. 3 into 21. By now, if you have been going through our videos, you know what the steps in long division entails. We are going to divide, then multiply, subtract, and then bring down. Okay. So let's go ahead. 3 into 2. How much times could 3 go into 2? 3 can go into 2. How much times? 3 cannot go into 2. I'm getting 0. So 3 into 2 is 0. Now I'm going to ask myself 3 into 21. How much times could 3 go into 21? Again, you all have heard me say this, and I am repeating myself again. For those of you all who are struggling with tables, we can use our fingers, okay? Okay, so we're going to go 3 into 21. We're going to count in threes until we get to 21. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. How many fingers do I have up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 can go into 21 7 times. Now I'm going to multiply. 3 7s are 21. Now I'm going to subtract. 1 take away 1 is 0, and 2 take away 2 is 0. So the answer is 7, and we don't have any remainders. Let's go on to our next question. Let's do 3 into 23. 3 into 2, 0. 3 into 2, again, this question is asking us how many groups of 3s can I get from 2? I cannot get any. So 3 can go into 2 0 times. Now I'm going to say 3 into 23. How much times could 3 go into 23? So what I can do is count in threes until I get to 23 or the number before. You cannot pass 23, okay? So you're going to use our fingers, the technique I showed you all before. Let's count in threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. If I put up a next finger, I'm going to go to 24 and I'll be past 23. Okay. How much fingers do I have up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 can go into 23 7 times. 7 comes on top. 3 7s are 21. So you see, when I write my number on top here, when I write my digit here, I am going to multiply. I'm going to say 3 7s are 21. 3 take away 1 is 2. 2 take away 2 is 0. So our answer is 3 with a remainder of 2. Okay. Let's do another question. Let's do 3 into 58. How do we divide this? Again, long division, we divide, we multiply, we subtract, and we bring down. And we repeat the steps, we repeat this process. We divide, we multiply, we subtract, and we bring down. So let's go 3 into 5. How much times could 3 go into 5? This question is asking me how many groups of 3s can I get from 5? Okay, so if I have 5, how many groups of 3s can I get from 5? 1. How could we do this differently? How much times could 3 go into 5? I can count in 3s until I get to 5 or the number before. 3, how much fingers do I have up? 1. 3 can go into 5 1 time. 3 ones are 3. I subtract 5, take away 3 is going to give me 2. I'm going to bring down my 8. And now what do I have? I do not say 3 into 2 or 3 into 8. The number I now have is 28. So I have to say 3 into 28. How much times could 3 go into 28? Again, for those of you all who are struggling with tables, okay, we're going to use our fingers and we're going to count in 3s until we get to 28 or the number before, okay? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. How many fingers do I have up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I have 9 fingers. 3 can go into 28 9 times. You don't want to be drawing 28 counters and putting them into groups of 3s. So that's why it's important to practice your arithmetic tables. And if you don't know them that well, this technique I'm showing you with your fingers will work just fine. Okay, so 3 can go into 28 9 times. 3 9s are, what if you don't know how to multiply? So in this technique I've been showing you that when we are dividing, we are counting until we get to the number or the number before. When we are multiplying, what we can do, we can put up 9 fingers. Well, I have 9 fingers here, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to put up 9 fingers and I am going to count in 3s. Let's see what number I get to. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So 3 9s are 27. I put my 27 here. The next step is to subtract. 8 take away 7 is going to give me 1. 2 take away 2 is 0. So my answer is 19. 19 with a remainder of 1. Okay, let's do our next question. Let us do 2 into 75. How much times could 2 go into 75? We are going to do it like this. 2 into 7. How much times could 2 go into 7? How many groups of 2s can you get from 7? 2, 4, 6, 3. Okay, you cannot pass 7. 2, 4, 6. How much fingers do I have up? 3. So 2 can go into 7 3 times. 2 3s. You see, from the time I put my digit up here, I'm multiplying. 2 3s are 6. 7 take away 6 is 1. What's our next step? Bring down. Now, what do I say? 2 into, what's the number I have here? Not 1, not 5, 15. How much times could 2 go into 15? Count in 2s until we get to 15 or the number before. Let's try that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. How much fingers do I have up? 7. So 2 can go into 15 7 times. 2 7s are 14. Again, if you didn't know that, you could have put up your 7 fingers and touch each finger and count in 2s. Okay? 2 7s are 14. 5 take away 4 is 1. 1 take away 1 is 0. So my answer is 37 with a remainder of 1. Okay, let's do another question. I hope you're writing your questions down and working your questions with me, not just allowing me to do it by myself. Yeah, join me. Let's do the next one. 4 into 26. 4 into 2 is 0. 4 into 26, let's count in 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. If I go again, I'm going to get to 28. So I'm going to stop. How much times could 4 go into 26? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 is coming here. What happens next? I am going to multiply. 4 times 6 is how much? My 6 fingers are up already. Okay, so I'm going to touch each finger and count in 4s. Now you could put up 6 fingers and count in 4s, or 4 fingers up and count in 6. It depends if you know how to count in 4s or if you know how to count in 6. And I'm sure most of you know how to count in 4s. For those of you who already know how to count in 6, good job. Let's go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So 4 times 6 is 24. Now I'm going to subtract. 6 take away 4 is 2. 2 take away 2 is 0. So my answer is 6 with a remainder of 2. Okay, let's do a next question. We are going to do 5 into 37. 5 into 3 is 0. How much times could 5 go into 37? Again, if you're not sure, you can count in 5s until you get to 37 or the number before. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. How much fingers do I have up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 comes on top here. Now I need to multiply. 5 7s are, if you are not too sure, put up 7 fingers and count in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. See? 5 7s are 35. Now I subtract. 7 take away 5 is 2. 3 take away 3 is 0. So our answer is 7 with a remainder of 2. What you can do is write these questions down and work it out after you work it out, or work it out before me, okay? But keep practicing. Let's do one more. Let's do 3 into 84. How much times could 3 go into 84? 3 into 8. If you're not too sure, what can you do? Count in 3s until you get to 8 or the number before. 3, 6. If I go again, I'll be getting 9. So how much fingers do I have up? 2. 2 goes on top. What's my next step? I multiply. 3 2s are 6. Put my 6 here. What's my next step? I take away. 8 take away 6 is 2. And then I bring down my 4. How much times could 3 go into 24? What if you're not sure? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. We made it there. So how much fingers do I have up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I put my 8 on top. 3 8s are 24. Now I am going to subtract. 4 take away 4 is 0, and 2 take away 2 is 0. Okay, so 3 can go into 84 28 times. Okay, and we have no remainders. I hope that you are enjoying these sessions very much. Remember, again, don't just look at me and listen to me explain these sums. Write it down. To those of you all who are watching me for the very first time, welcome. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more. That's it, guys. Bye.